Hello student. So today I'll be solving a problem for JEE main. Okay. So let me read the problem. A block start moving with an inclined plane of inclination 30 degree with an initial velocity of v0, and it come back with the velocity v0 by 2. Okay. Find the value of the coefficient of kinetic friction. So the question is that there is a block which is moving in an inclined plane and there is a friction, right? And initial, when it is moving up, the velocity was v0, initial velocity v0, and the angle between this inclination was 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Now the block is going up and it will stop somewhere, again it will come back, and when it is coming back, right, it come back to its initial position with a velocity v0 by 2, right? So that means what happened, the block from here moved to this location, from here again it is coming back to the original position. So the distance traveled in upward or downward is same, right? So distance equation, you know that v square for upward it will be u square minus 2gs, and for downward motion it will be v square is equal to u square plus 2gs, and during the upward motion initial velocity u is equal to v0, so it will be, but and the final velocity v is equal to 0 because this block will stop somewhere. So the first equation will be 0 is equal to v0 square minus 2gs, or v0 square is equal to 2gs. So you got the v0. And the second time what happened? Yes. Now, for this one, it will not be, this GS is for the vertical motion. So, we'll have to do a correction, right? So, it will be AS, let's say A1. So, A1 is for the, upward motion acceleration. So, it will be A1. G for the vertical, pure vertical, right? So, it will be, 2AS, right? 2A1. 2A1s. Okay, so you got this part, right? Now we have to find the value of acceleration in the upward motion. So what is the formula for that? A1 is equal to g sine theta plus mu g cos theta. Acceleration for the upward motion. And how we are getting this formula? So this is weight mg, and this component is mg sine theta. Okay, this is mg sine theta. This component is mg sine theta, right? And the block, when block is moving, the upward motion, the friction force will become downward, right? So upward motion up. So what will be the equation of motion? M A1 is equal to mg sine theta plus Fs or Fk. So Fk is equal to mu r, right? So r is equal to, here this is mg cos theta, and this is reaction force r. So r is equal to mg cos theta. So r I am writing mg cos theta, right? So these are the very basic concept which you will have to carry over there, right? So if you look at it, perfectly, you will get this. Fine. So now this is the basic concept you have to clear. So you got this acceleration equation from here. This is for the upward motion. Similarly, for the downward motion, what will be the acceleration? A2 is equal to g sine theta minus mu g cos theta. Okay, right? Now you have to get the value of the mu. You have to get the value of the mu. So what is the value of A1 here? A1 is equal to g sine theta, right? So g sine theta, sine 30 degrees half, because theta is 30 degree here, right? And plus mu g cos theta. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So you got the value of A1, that is, g is common, so half plus root 3 by 2 mu. This is A1. So what will be the value of V1 square? So V1 square means V0 square is equal to this for the upward motion. For the upward motion, right? 2as means 2a1 is equal to G1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 mu into s. You got the upward motion velocity V0 squares. So similarly, for downward motion, the acceleration value I have told you a2. So for downward motion, what is the final velocity? So let me remove few of the parts from here. You'll get that a2. So this was a1. Now for a2, what happened? Initial velocity was 0. Final velocity is v0 by 2. They told that it will come back to the same position in the v0 by 2 velocity. So equation will be, this is downward, right? So it will be initial velocity. So v0, okay, v0 by 2 square, this is the final velocity, is equal to a square plus 2a2s. So it will be v0 square by 4 is equal to u is 0. So 2 into a2 into s, or v0 square by 4 is equal to 2a2s. So this is equation 2, and this one is this is equation 1. So here I'll put the value of the a2. So value of a2 is this one, right? So it will be g, if I take common, half minus root 3 by 2 mu, right? So this is equation 2. This is equation 2. So this one and this one I have to compare. Then I will get the value of mu. That's it. Okay. So once you get the value of mu, so that is the required. So find. So mu means I by 1000, right? Mu means I by 1000. So you will get the value of I from here. That's it. So this way you have to approach this kind of problem for JEE Main. Okay. So watch my session. I'll take with another problem next day. So our planning will be that initially I'll be helping you to understand the actual concept, and then we'll go to the solution of the specific numericals. Okay. Thank you.